Hey guys, BrickQueen here for a LEGO Kingdoms set review. This is the Blacksmith Attack set number 6918, and it has 104 pieces. It originally cost about $10 when it came out in 2011. I believe it was summer 2011. And this is the box that it comes in. And here's the back of the box. So it's a pretty neat little set. Like I said, for only $10, it's pretty good value, I think. This is the main part of it right here. Got your fire over here at the end. You've got this right here, this little hammer here, and there's a little knife under the hammer that the blacksmith is working on. So that's kind of cool. And to make it work, you can see you turn the wheel here at the end. So I think that's neat. You can see it from the other side. And there's the wheel there. Just knocked over my minifigures. Here we go. So that's the main portion of it here. And if you just want to, you can lift that up because of the way it's built. Here's your blacksmith right here. And he also has a second face. And then here's your Dragon Knight. And there's his face. He just has the one face though. And there's the back. Pretty cool little shield he's got there. You also get a little piece of gold. And also a chicken, which is probably one of my favorite parts of the set, because I don't have very many Lego chickens, so I like that. I like all the little Lego animals, so that was a really plus to this set, having a little chicken in it. And you've also got some weapons and tools over here. You've also got a little Lego bucket, so that's kind of neat. And here's this. Kind of a little stand to hold some of the weapons, and breastplate right there. And there's the back. Also got a little bow and arrow. And these also. So that's pretty much it for the review. Like I said, really cool set. I definitely think it was worth the value. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the review, and I hope you'll comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks!